Hi, we're going on a trip again, and it's been a while since I did a packing video, so I decided to do one. It's 4 days, some amount of swimming, the weather is hot, so there's not a lot of chunky things to take, but here's what I packed. That's everything I'm taking for 4 days. If you can see, there are a lot of t-shirts and not very many bottoms, but that's because the weather is very hot and very humid and very sticky. I don't want to be left without a shirt to change into just in case I want to feel fresh, and there is no option to do laundry, so for 4 days I'm going to have to make do with everything you see here. The bag I'm going to be using is the Tortuga Air. It's a 25-liter backpack which extends into a 27-liter backpack, and I will be taking my laptop. It should all fit into that. All of these clothes will go into a packing cube, which we're going to do now. That right there is a swimsuit and a little kit with my towel and a few things that I might need. I'll open that up and show you as well. That's the first aid kit I found to take off makeup. We'll get into that later. Toiletries, sunscreen, mosquito repellent because, well, we do have a lot of mosquitoes, so that's always handy. And let's get into it. In the bottom, I put this pair of shorts, denim shorts, because they're the thickest thing in this bag. And I'm going to start by rolling and placing each of these here. A neat trick is to not put all of the bottoms at the base or somewhere underneath all the clothes. Keep one pair that you probably reach for first when you get in handy. So that's there. Since I've removed this pair of pajamas, which is very thick, I'm adding a t-shirt and a pair of shorts to this. These go on top because this one is linen and this one is chambray, and they will crumple. Can we fit that in there? Yes, we can, but maybe we'll keep that in. Okay. Oh, there is space. So that goes in there. And that's all our clothes. Now that we're done with this, I'm just going to quickly take you through the rest of it. That has socks, underwear, and a little pouch with some jewelry. This one's a swimsuit set. There's a bathing costume, there's a little towel, there's a dry sack, a wrap, and a tote. Other things that are going with me are toiletries, sunscreen, mosquito repellent, a pair of flip-flops, a cap. Erase your face. This is great for taking off makeup. You simply wet it with water and wipe it off. Never been easier. And a first aid kit with a whole bunch of medicines and dressing, everything that you might need on a trip. I never go anywhere without one of these. I also carry a spare packing cube for dirty laundry or drawstring bags, whatever works. In this case, I'm just going to take this one. This is the top of the bag, that's the bottom. So we're going to put the heaviest thing in the bottom right there and secure that. Like so. The thing that I usually put over here is the toiletries case and that are in this bag that I sort of never pull out of it, or I replace it just before taking it, is a water bottle. This one's a vapor It's foldable, it's lightweight, and has a snap open cover that never opens, and in it goes. The front pocket of this bag usually has a torch, a combination lock, another extra lock, a pen, a Swiss Army knife, and some band-aid, and very importantly, a little foldable tote that you can take with you. It also has a compartment on the top. I usually put things like sunglasses or a wallet or something like that over here. That's where my laptop will go, and my Kindle, which is here. I'm not sure I'm taking it. I might just take my phone, but that's where it goes. Thank you for packing with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, happy holiday to me.